Alright, so we've almost forgot about one other issue, and this is the trace that's degrading connection here. So we're going to try and add some flux. See if it's small enough to just bridge over with solder, or if it's going to require a wire over it. Yeah, I think it's going to require a wire. So, easy enough. Sometimes if it's small enough, you can get away with that. Let's see. Let's see if I can get in here to do this. I got a little bit of reflection on the light. Let's see if I can change the channel on the light here. There we go. Let's see if we can maybe tint this up a bit. Come on. Great, that's tinned up. Let's throw some fresh flux on the board. That's it. So we'll clean that up with a little bit of alcohol and a Q-tip. We'll dry it off. And we're going to put down some conformal down over it. Still a little wet, so we're going to get a nice fresh Q-tip. Make sure it's nice and dry. The only thing I hate about Q-tips is all these little frillies that kind of fly off. Yeah. Okay, looks good. Little conformal coating. Yeah, that thinned out pretty good there. So that'll cure up, and that'll keep that from corroding anymore. I might hit this area up here with it while I'm here. Why not, right? I don't think I can stop all the corrosion that's on this board, but we'll try. All right. As long as the air cannot get to the corrosion anymore, it should stop it. So that looks good. Well, I think we're ready for a test.